Alright, so we have a 6-inch boards cut to go across the top of the roof, and then what I'm going to do to cut down on the ceiling heights, because I don't think 3/8 is enough to screw the ceiling boards into, I'm going to cut a 2-inch strip that I'm going to then staple and glue to the inside edge of this. So when it goes up, there'll be a strip on the inside that I can screw through the ceiling board and into this board and into the next little 2-inch strip, just to give it added strength and holding power for that. And so I'm going to cut about 4 2-inch strips on here. I'm very happy with this Craig Gig Guide, whatever the hell you call the thing. I mean, I just cut 4 2-inch strip rip cut. I just cut 4 2-inch strips in under a minute, I think, or barely over a minute.
About 20 seconds aboard by the
Had I done
filming.
it the other way, I'd have had to adjust the board out, measure it out every time, set up a guide of something for a straight edge to run it down to be able to cut it. And then I had to do that 4 times.
So what you're saying is best $40 you ever spent?
Some of the best $40 I ever spent.
At least on this project.
Yeah. It's up there.